Challenge question. You and 7 friends decide to order a pizza. There's a large pizza because there are 8 of you. So it's going to be an 18-inch diameter pizza. Jose starts to collect the money for the pizza. And he says everybody owes $2. Pizza's $16. There are 8 of us in total, so everybody pays $2. You start to feel a little guilty because you all of a sudden realize you only have $1.75. So you put in your $1.75 and kind of sheepishly choose the smallest slice, partly because that's your fair share. Well, turns out Valerie starts ribbing you for not having put in enough money. Right? She says, hey, you're 25 cents short. Come on, you're not pulling your weight. At the end of your slice, you measure it, and it turns out your crust is 6 inches long. You think you did it right by choosing the smallest slice. Valerie is still picking on you. Who's right? Should you put in your 25 cents? Or did you get your money's worth at $1.75 for your 6-inch slice? How to find the length of an arc. In the past, we've been able to measure the length of a line, or a line segment rather, sometimes as simply as subtracting the 2 locations. We're going to start at 1, end at 5. We know the difference is 4, and that's the distance of the line segment. It's a little different if we actually have to measure the distance around something that's curved, because now you can't really take the ruler and calculate how far along that little piece of arc is. We need to find a better way. If we had a circle of radius 1, we wanted to know the arc length for a central angle. And a central angle is from the center of this circle with 2 radii extending outward. Our central angle is the angle that those 2 radii make. In this case, let's use a central angle of 60 degrees. Given a 60-degree central angle and a radius of 1, we want to know what fraction or what percent that this arc sweeps of the entire circle. That would be 60 degrees divided by the total circle, which is 360 degrees. That's our fraction. In this case, it's going to be 1/6, because 60 divided by 360 is 1/6, 1/6. Times the circumference of the circle. In this case, it's 2 pi r, and our radius is 1, so we multiply times 2 pi. In this case, we'll have 1/6 times 2 pi, or 2 pi over 6, which can simplify to pi over